Hello everyone, this is Sam from SamuraiMini.com. I've got here a Suzuki Carry four-wheel drive dump truck. This is a brand new truck. I just want to show you a few features and details about this one. This is the very latest Suzuki Carry with a factory built dump on the back. You can see it's a very strong box on the back. This one's brand new, it's not been used at all. It's a 2019 year. It's a 660cc 5-speed manual. It's got four-wheel drive, it's got low range, it's got some kind of knobbly tyres on, a bit better for off-road. And this is available from Japan quite readily. So if you can see a use for one of these, if you'd like to become a distributor of these as well, then contact us at SamuraiMini.com and have a chat. We'll see what we can do for you. Thank you very much for watching.